Hello everyone and welcome to another stock review. Right before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you never miss another video. I'm Troglodidi from SimpleTrade, and in today's review I will be explaining the recent developments in the stock TPTW. The stock ran more than 500% in the past few days. First thing we can see is that the share structure is rather inviting. There are only a little bit less than 900 million shares outstanding. We might add that the company is under the OTCQB tier, one of the highest tiers in the OTC. That said, no deadline whatsoever will affect this stock. The company is a technology-based company with divisions providing telecommunications, medical technology, product distribution, media content for domestic and international syndication, as well as technology solutions. 2 days ago, on the 25th of August, the company released rather intriguing news. TPTW entered a strategic technology partnership with Skybridge West Africa. Skybridge West Africa has been awarded a $5 billion community development approval from the Ghanaian Ministry of Works and Housing to develop and build over 100,000 newly constructed homes utilizing the latest green technology over the next 5 years. TPTW stated, "We are pleased and excited to join hands with Skybridge West Africa and feel fortunate that TPT Global Tech has been selected as the lead technology partner." The most important statement in this news is the following. TPTW's participation could eventually be worth upwards of 3.5 billion in new contracts and management fees, whereas 3.5 billion is more than 100 times the market cap of TPTW, which is estimated at 33 million right now. Thus the enormous rise in the last 2 days. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned a bit. Make sure to subscribe and join our Discord community of SimpleTrade for more valuable content. See you all out there and good luck!